Hey guys, what's up? It's Scudder85 back with another unboxing, and this time, as you can see, it's for Doom Eternal. So this came out today. It's originally supposed to come out on the 20th of March. It's come out on the 18th of March. Um, right before the UK probably gets locked down due to coronavirus, because that's a load of fun at the moment, isn't it? With everybody panic buying, and yeah, so much fun. But nah, seriously, guys, if any of you or your members of family have got it, best of luck to you. It's not nice at the moment, but there we go. So yeah, I thought I'd shoot some demons in the face to take my mind off it. So there's the front, there's the side, and there's the back. So I reckon Bethesda have released this early to get some sales before the UK goes into lockdown over the next few days, probably. So there we go, Raise Hell. Includes battle mode. And the install size is 50 gig. Yeah. So inside, I can get the bloody thing open. There we go. We have something about some club. Fallout 76 Wastelanders. I'm presuming this will be a manual. Ooh, reversible cover. Yeah, manual of sorts. Disc, which was quite a nice disc art, to be fair. Yeah, it's just an extension of the normal cover. So yeah, that is it for my rather quick unboxing of Doom Eternal on the Xbox One, guys. If you like this, please do be sure to check out my other videos, because let's face it, it's going to be a while before I upload another one. I'm hoping Final Fantasy comes out next month now. So yeah, take care of yourselves, guys, and catch you later. Bye bye.